In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Facebook page likes campaign, step by step. If you want to grow your Facebook followers and get more people to like your business page, this is the campaign for you. Let's get started. First, go to your Meta Ads Manager at business.facebook.com. Once you're inside, click on the Create button to start a new campaign. Here you'll see several campaign objectives. Select engagement as your objective because we want people to engage with and like our Facebook page. Now, Meta will ask you to choose between two campaign setup options: recommended setup, where Meta automatically optimizes settings for you, and manual engagement campaign, where you have full control over targeting and ad settings. For this tutorial, we'll select manual engagement campaign so we can customize everything. Give your campaign a clear name, something that helps you identify it later, like Facebook page likes November 2025. Next, you can choose whether to manage your budget at the campaign level or the ad set level. I recommend setting the campaign budget at the campaign level so Meta can automatically distribute your budget to the best performing ad sets. Now choose whether you want a daily budget or a lifetime budget. A daily budget ensures a consistent spend each day, while a lifetime budget spreads your spend evenly across the campaign duration. Once done, click Next to move to the ad set level. First, rename your ad set. Use a name that helps you identify your audience later. For example, Solihull 10 miles radius. Now, under Conversion Location, select Facebook page, since the goal is to get more page likes. Next, select your Facebook page from the list of connected pages. You can also set an end date if you want the campaign to stop automatically after a specific time. Now choose your target location. You can target a whole country, city, or even drop a pin on the map for a specific area. Turn off the checkbox that says reach people beyond your detailed targeting. This ensures Meta doesn't show your ad to people outside your target location. Then set the age range, gender, or add detailed targeting options like interests or behaviors if you want to refine your audience. However, for page likes campaigns, it's often better to keep a broad audience. That's why I'll keep this Advantage Plus audience, which allows Meta's algorithm to find people who are most likely to like your page. Scroll down to Placements. You'll see two options: Manual Placements and Advantage Plus Placements. I'll keep Advantage Plus placements, as Meta will automatically place your ads across Facebook and Instagram where they perform best. Now click Next to go to the ad level. Rename your ad. At the ad level, your Facebook page will already be selected under Identity. Next, under Ad Creative, you can either upload a new image or video or choose one from your existing media library. Upload your content, make sure it's eye-catching and clearly represents your brand. Then add your primary text, the message that will appear above your image or video. You can add up to 5 text variations for Meta to test and find the best performing one. On the ad preview, you'll notice the follow or like button appearing automatically, which is the call to action for users to like your Facebook page. Double check all your settings, audience, placements, and creative. Once everything looks good, click the Publish button, and that's it. You have successfully created a Facebook page likes campaign to grow your followers and boost your online presence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any Meta ads or digital marketing questions. I'll be happy to help.